The BMW GS isn't built in a factory. It's assembled in a German bunker, carved under a mountain, probably by former BMW engineers who haven't smiled since 1987. It's not a motorcycle. It's a tank with turn signals. You think, what an oversized, useless beast. Then you see it taking off, and you realize that Germany, after stopping its invasions of Europe with actual tanks, simply started doing it with maxi enduros. When the Boxer engine fires up, it doesn't go vroom vroom, it goes boom. Like a Leopard 2 getting ready to cross the Polish border. The GS is as big as a fully loaded Siemens refrigerator. When you put it on the stand, atmospheric pressure drops, tectonic plates shift, some KTM rider somewhere starts sweating for no reason. The average GS rider is incredible. Full Arctic expedition suit, boots straight out of a Balkan war zone, Dakar rally helmet, gloves that could safely handle uranium. And he has to ride Como to Bellagio with a focaccia stop. But the real tragedy is that armored battleship is actually fast. You show up at the mountain pass all pumped on your naked bike. Open exhaust, high ego, short life expectancy. Then she appears in your mirrors, headlights blazing like a Deutsche Bahn freight train doing 300 kilometers per hour. NASA-grade suspension, 3 side cases as wide as East Berlin apartments. Inside, probably, a power bank, a banana, classified NATO documents. And the guy on top, calm as can be. Upright posture, like a Prussian general. Back straight, visor open up. That look that says, this corner belongs to the German state. He breezes past you on 280 kilograms of motorcycle. Wife on the back, top case loaded, maybe even with cruise control on. Meanwhile, your forearms destroyed, back broken, engine temperature approaching Chernobyl levels. He gets to the cafe looking like he just came out of the shower. He parks that Bavarian oil tanker right in front of the entrance with military docking precision. Gets off slowly, takes off his helmet, orders a beer, and with tax level superiority says, "Nice pace today." The GS isn't a motorcycle. It's Germany's official statement to motorcycling. We took a 30,000 euros household appliance and taught it how to humiliate sport bikes in the mountains.